Hi, this is a quick 3-minute video on this.
Hi, in the previous videos we've looked at hard questions, difficult questions predicted for this year's GCSE. In the previous videos we've completed through to question number 5. However, we're going to go back and revisit one of the harder questions, which is on histograms, and that's going to be question number 4. Okay, so here we are at question number 4. It says the histogram shows information about the height of some plants. Now the key issue with this is the word some. Just makes me a little bit nervous, okay, because what we're being asked to do is work out an estimate for the number of plants, and I think really right off the bat we've got to be very careful with that. What we're not going to be able to do is to work out the total number of plants that there are represented on this particular diagram, but we can work out a fraction of the number of plants that would be over 25 centimeters tall. So let's have a look at that. If we go back to the histogram itself, the only thing that we know really is that block A and block B are the same, and also when we're dealing with a histogram we look at frequency density equals frequency divided by class width, and really that's the formula that you need to be using every single time. So let's look at A and B. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a bit of a chance here and look at the grid itself, and if I mark this out as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, it means then that the height of block A and block B is going to be 1.2. Okay, so therefore let's say that that would be a frequency density of 1.2. That's the frequency, and then the class width for block A is going to be, as it is at the bottom here, 10. So therefore I can say that the frequency that's represented in block A is going to be a frequency of 12, and that's going to be exactly the same for block B. Okay, let's have a look then at the other blocks, and really we just need to apply exactly the same formula, which is frequency density equals frequency divided by class width, and if I look at the second block along, that's going to give me a frequency density of 3.2. Frequency I don't know, but the class width for the second block is actually going to be 5. So therefore I can work that out then, that the frequency on the second block is going to be 16. Okay, so it's really just a case of applying this all the way through, and I'm going to get the third block as being 22. And the final block is going to be 6, or represented as 6. So now what I've got is an estimate, or at least an idea, of the number of plants that are represented. Okay, so therefore I can say that the total plants which are represented here, it's not the overall number of plants, it could be any multiple of the numbers that I'm using, could be 12 plus 16 plus 22 plus 12 plus 6. Okay, now that's the total plants would be 68, and therefore an estimate of the ones that are greater than 25 centimeters is going to be any plant that's over and above this number here. Well, you can see that in block B it represents 12 plants in total, so half of it is going to be 6 plants, and then I've also got 6 plants in 30 to 50, so therefore my over 25 centimeters are going to be equal to 6 plus 6, which equals 12. So therefore the estimate for the number of plants as a fraction is going to be 12 out of 68, and if I really want to I can reduce that to 3 out of 17, and that would be perfectly fine for the full 3 marks on this question. If you're not sure about any of this, please do let me know in the comments, and I'll try to give you some alternative histograms to also have a look at. Okay, and then finally it says explain why your answer to part B is an estimate. Okay, well, it's exactly as we've said, really. We're really not sure because we've used a fraction, but we could also say that it's grouped data. Okay, and the whole idea is with group data is that we just don't know. Okay, we don't know how many plants are between 25 and 30 centimeters, 25 130 centimetres. And what we mean by that is we've suggested that there is a group of 6 plants in that half of block B. It could be that all 12 plants are within that second half. We just don't know because it's a group data. Okay, I hope that's been useful to you. It is a little bit of a tricky question to kind of work through. Please do let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll look forward to seeing you inside the next video.
Okay, so I hope the video was useful. Please do add a comment below if you're not sure about anything. I'll always come back to you. Subscribe to the channel. I'll look forward to seeing you inside the next video.